G'day everybody, welcome to Rides and Vibes. I'm Jamie, and today we're here at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're gonna jump on some rides, we're gonna eat some food, and we're just gonna have a great day here at Universal Studios, and we're inviting you to join us, so come on everybody, here we go. Where do I have to go to? What's over there? What? What is it, Willow? What are you showing me? Willow, slow down. Where are you showing me? What are you showing me? That's a fire hydrant, not a minion. That's a fire hydrant. You said it was a minion? Did she say that was a minion? That's a fire hydrant. Minion. It's a fire hydrant. Minion. Minion. So the first ride we're going to jump on today is The Secret Life of Pets. Now this is because the first time we came here, Willow was too small, and now she's able to ride it for the very first time, so we're really excited to take her onto this ride. Oh, he's enjoying that too much.
That's debatable. You're debatable.
Hey, you over there! Why are you so nervous? You need to be walked. What? Something I never thought I'd say. Love you, Josh. Some of us get boxes, some of us get super cool high-tech drunk. There was danger, my brain senses was up. Wait, I love that. This plan is crazy. It shouldn't work. Oh, here, boy. But you're gonna get adopted in no time. What did I tell you? Look at that story. Ooh, you guys are not gonna get adopted looking like that. I told you. Oh, really cute. You know responsibility. Oh, it's so soft. That's it. You guys got hands. Yeah. That's what I need to do. You were tough, but I got you home. You guys leaving already? I just found this place.
Welcome home. As you return, please lift your arms and your lap bar will raise on.
Hello. Did you like that ride before? Yeah? Was it scary? No, you sounded scared though, didn't you?
Yeah, well, it was fun.
It was fun. Well, was it a little bit scary? No. You were yelling a lot, weren't you? What were you yelling? Help me!
Yeah, but next time I won't say that.
Next time you won't say that?
Yeah, but I want to go on that one again.
You want to go on it again? Okay, we might be able to do that again.
Yeah.
Alright, so these orders, here we go. Japanese are now in flight. Stay seated at all times. There is no standing, no switching seats.
Gotta hold it up.
And if you want to go up or down, use the joystick right in front of you. Enjoy yourself.
And we go up higher. Whee! Keep going, hold up. Oh, we're nearly up the top. Do it again. Come on. Bit more. We're nearly there. Yeah. Needs a lot of Looks like they're just up to the cleaning up part. So the first stop of the day, we're getting some Krusty Burgers, and we're going to eat them in Moe's, because who doesn't want to eat their burgers in Moe's? So right now, this is Moe's Tavern. How good is this? Got the bar over there. Oh, so good. Look at the fries, Krusty Burger, chips.
No, she's so good.
Can you say that?
That's a good chip. Okay, steak chip.
Fries.
Sorry, fries. In Australia, they're chips.
But
In America, they're fries.
Yeah, no, it's not bad.
That's it in all of its glory. Sauce, buddy, it's all nice and fresh. Give it about a 4 out of 5.
talking about say 4 out of 10.
Nah, 4 out of 5. That's just because the patty's a little bit dry. But other than that, it's perfect. That was our first meal of the day, and it was delicious. Now it's time, we're going to go down to Lolot, have a look down there. That's where you've got Nintendo, Transformers, also Jurassic World down here. So we're going to have a look down here first. Then we're going to go to the tour afterwards. The tour. All right. It's a very big. This is also one of the world's largest escalators. Just in case you didn't know. How good is this going to look if you're on this ride, like going above? You're going to have cars going over there. Like you've got the roller coaster going overhead, coming down. That's going to look amazing. Smart move. Bye. See ya. Bye. Willow, you're going to win. Willow, you won. You won. You took too long. Last time we did this ride, I struggled. Yeah, we got it.
That's what I'm telling you to do it.
Yeah, we got about. I think we got what? I got like 12. I think I got like, my score was like 50 and yours was 100 and something.
Yeah, yours was bad.
Mine was
She
terrible.
didn't work out, yeah.
No,
You didn't work out how to use the headset.
The headset properly. You've got to watch. You've got to watch where the where it points, and you turn your head to where it points, telling you to go. Huh?
He was on this.
I was like going, what's going on? Whoa! I was freaking out more than anything else. Going, this is really cool. Oh, here we go!
Mario Kart!
Let's go! The Mario! Get him! We won! We won! 223! 123. On this 120. That's me! Willow, you got 22. I got the highest. I win. Yee! I win. And second, yay, well done.
You guys know we are the biggest, the oldest, and the busiest studio in California? You know that makes an acronym, it says BOB. But yeah, if you look to the right, you'll see the second oldest, the second biggest studio. That's Warner Brothers. We are 397 acres. You know how big they are? 110. That fire station has got a word attached to it I don't get to say very much, okay? That fire station is real. Check it out, look. The door on the sound stage is open over here on stage 19. If you guys remember the movie Oppenheimer, that building that's empty right now actually played the White House, the Oval Office in Oppenheimer. You can also see Building 5195, former office of Sir Alfred Hitchcock, now belongs to the Dino De Laurentiis Corporation. Behest of Steven Spielberg. He said, you guys don't have any modern buildings on New York Street. You need one. We said, okay, we built one. Finished it in 2006. Right after that, a movie filmed on New York Street that kind of proved that maybe the timing was off. The movie was called Captain America, the First Avenger, which took place in 1942, about 30 years before that blue glass building would be invented. So if you guys watched at the beginning of the movie where Chris Evans is running through the streets with no shoes on after they blow up the program, he launches off a taxi cab and ends in front of a building under construction. Yeah, you know how you hide a building that's too modern? You put a sign in front of it that says, coming soon. Welcome to Hollywood. In 1974. That movie had the tagline, just when you thought it was safe to go back in the water. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram at all times. Hold on to all your personal belongings. And look out, because history's about to repeat itself. We got a shark in the water, and that's Officer George. George, there's a shark on your left. No, George, that's not your left. George, you're on the right. George, make the L's with your fingers, man. Well, that's definitely an L. Okay, so what George is doing right now is employing his self-defense tactics against the shark. Look, it's called bleeding on the shark, and it always works. The only problem is that George can only do it once. Totally unrelated topic, guys. If you're looking for a new career, I'm hiring police divers. Let me know. I need one before my next tour. I'll fast track it. Well, there goes the dock. That's a good sign, right? Oh, come on! That was unnecessary. But check it out, look, the dock is on fire. But hey, look, at least it can't get worse, right?
Hell no.
Congratulations, everybody. You just came face to face with our good buddy, Bruce. I hope you guys enjoyed your tour. If you guys want to purchase any of the names or titles you see here, check our retail establishments, our Universal Pictures.
Ready?
To the front of this time, all cameras must be put away for the safety of those around you. Please do not have your cameras out.
I got you, Bubba. I got you. I got you. I got you. It's okay. Makes your belly funny.
Stop! I didn't like it. I didn't like it.
No, it's alright.
I don't like this one.
You didn't like it? So we just went on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, and as always, that makes you feel very sick, so I had to close my eyes pretty much all seen some of that ride just to try to get over that motion sickness feeling as you get. Layla got really hit hard with that one. And then Willow, because she can't go on that ride, we went on the Hippogriff. Do you like the Hippogriff ride?
It was good.
It was good? Now how do you like your butterbeer?
Good.
It's good. It's tasty, isn't it? Butterbeer's good. Get some sugar. Also today I get to try out one of my new cameras, which is what we call the Osmo Nano Pocket. The reason for that is I can wear it a little bit more. So on some rides I can wear it on my chest, and it's a magnet, so I can chuck it here and it straps here, and I can have it here, or on other rides I've been having it on my wrist. So it kind of is like a watch. How I've got it sitting in the little case. So on some rides where you're not allowed to film, I've been able to film because of this one here, and can do it in different angles. I had it on my wrist just before on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. I had it on here, so it's just like there, and it was magnetized on my chest there. So some rides where I'm usually not able to ride, I was actually able to film them, which is really nice to be able to do it. So it'll be interesting to see how this actually turns out, because the problem is I can't see what I'm recording, unlike when I'm recording on the Osmo Nano. So it's a bit of a different sort of scenario filming with this, and it'll be interesting. So that's it from us from Universal Studios. It's been a very, very, very long day. We had super fun at Universal Studios, but it was a struggle, and that was due to coming on the plane the day beforehand, and this is our first day back, and it was a big struggle. So I'm going to go and get a Starbucks coffee right now. Just need a coffee just to keep myself awake, just till bedtime, so I can get a better sleeping pattern for tomorrow morning, and then we'll be on our way from some more adventures tomorrow. So join us tomorrow on our next adventure. But other than that, as always, I do hope you have a wonderful day.